Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make text-to-speech in Canva, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a completely blank new project in the format of a presentation open in Canva, and from here, I'll show you how you can generate an AI voice with text-to-speech. Now, first, what you need to do, in the left toolbar, go all the way down to your applications, and you'll see a For You page, you'll see a AI page. You can choose whichever tab you want, but you can use the search bar as easily. What you want to search for is an AI voice generator or something along those lines. Just search of AI voice generator and you'll see a couple of them. Let's say, for example, this one. Just select that, click open, and then you are able to generate your AI text. You can select the actual voice that you're using. You have Canva Pro exclusive voices such as Adam and Liam, or you have these two, and you can very easily just type the script here. Just type in hello, for example. You can change the pitch, the speed, the style, and once you do that, you can preview the voice. Now you do need to sign into this one, which I won't be doing, but let me just try a different one just for now. For example, this one, I might need to sign into this one as well, but pretty much, yeah, it needs to connect to your account. That's what it says here. But yeah, you just enter the text, then preview the voice, and then once you do, you can just generate it, and it'll be added to your slides in Canva. Sorry that I can't show you guys, but I don't have accounts in any of these services. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.